Ready to move your USDT from Binance to another wallet? Let's get you started in this tutorial. First, log into your Binance account and navigate to your wallet. Find the option to withdraw. This is where the magic begins. Next, select USDT as the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. You'll then see a screen prompting you for details. Now, it's time to input the recipient's information. You'll need to paste the receiving wallet address. Double-check it carefully. Accuracy is key. Then, select the correct network. Something very important, always choose the network that is supported by both Binance and your receiving wallet. Common options include ERC20, BEP20, and ERC20. Selecting the wrong one can lead to loss of funds, meaning you won't be able to recoup them. Be extra careful when selecting the network. Carefully verify the address, network on your sending and receiving wallets. A mismatch can lead to irreversible loss of your USDT. Make sure that the fees associated with the network are acceptable. Enter the amount of USDT you wish to transfer. Remember to account for any network fees. Before confirming, Binance will require verification, such as a code from Google Authenticator or email confirmation, to secure your transaction. Complete this process to confirm your intent. This helps to protect your funds. Once verified, submit the withdrawal. Binance will process your request. You'll see a confirmation screen. It takes a few minutes, sometimes longer, depending on the network, for the transaction to complete. You can check the transaction status on Binance or use a blockchain explorer with the transaction ID, and just like that, your USDT is on its way in your other wallet.